kind of a mess back here. I have really neglected this space, but we do have stuff growing. We do have stuff growing here. Still got cabbage and some winter plants over there that I'm about to pull up. They're still producing. It still gets pretty cool at night. Not too hot during the day yet, so they are producing, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull them up. I think it's time, and put some more summer-friendly plants in pretty much everywhere. One thing I am battling, as you can see, even with the mulch, along here is weeds. So I'm about to get this tilled up and get some peppers and okra and some tomatoes all put through here. And probably half of that row over there is gonna be tilled up and get ready for something else. I'm not quite sure yet. I make these videos about how you should plan your garden out and organize properly for the most efficient garden, insect-free, companion planting, blah, 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 and then I just suck.
It's way more difficult than it sounds, you know? Maybe it is just that easy, but the weeds make it really hard to know what is what, and
yeah.
We got goat heads. The only thing I've managed to grow in my flower garden are sunflowers and marigolds, and nothing else came up.
Yeah, the sunflowers are coming up, and the marigolds we are planting just randomly throughout the garden as insect deterrent. There's one right there. There's some, which is cool, and they're pretty. But
is this squash?
Yeah, that's a squash. Those had been planted earlier in the spring, and then we got a hardcore hail, and I just thought everything was dead over here, and those actually survived and came back, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, it's a mess right now, but we are moving forward and gonna get this all cleaned up and still have a beautiful garden.
It's a mess, but it is still beautiful. It's nice to come out here and see stuff growing that you planted.
If y'all don't mind the shirtless action, it's a beautiful day. I'm just soaking up the rays, charging myself, enjoying this beautiful weather. Don't be ashamed to get your shirt off and get the sun on you. I just have no idea how you have an organic garden without weeds. I've been hoeing and pulling and weeding and hoeing. I just still am battling. They're tiny too. These, what the hell? If anybody in West Texas knows what this vine crap is and here's one, how to get rid of it, please let me know. It's got these long roots that are just kind of like runners. It's awful, dude. So I am gonna try weed barrier along here. Kind of can't do it because I've already got a few plants in here, but I'm gonna try that. Trying to do as much no-tilling as possible. I just hoed this, but we're gonna put the okra in and see how it does here.